Hey Mythic, what's up? This is Seth. I'm gonna drain out the fluids on this Porsche today so that we can check out the oil and see if there's any metal shavings in it and find out if we really do have bore scoring. It sure sounds like it, but let's get to it. Alright, so the oil doesn't look very good. It's really dark. It smells putrid. And proof in the pudding that this is actually bore scoring. If you look at this drain plug right here, look at all those metal shavings that are on the magnet at the end there. That material's coming off the cylinder walls and it's connecting onto this magnet at the bottom here. Today you saw me drain out the oil. I showed you the shavings in it, and that proves that we've got a bore scored engine. Time to take it out and see what's all wrong with it. It looked like quite a bit of shaving, so we could have more wrong than expected. But I've got the coolant and the oil out of it, and now we're gonna start pulling the engine. So stay tuned for more.